Hi, Mama Nina Cooks here. No Thanksgiving table is complete without the classic green bean casserole. I follow the directions right from the French's crispy fried onions. We need 1 can of cream and mushroom soup. We're going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk to that and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to mix that well, and then we will pour that over our 2 cans of cooked cut green beans. We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of the crispy onions and mix that well. We're going to bake that at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. That's a little longer than the directions say, but I think the extra time lets the flavors meld better together and it becomes more hot and bubbly and good. While that's in the oven baking, we're going to make some bacon. This is the best method I've ever found for making bacon. I just take a microwave safe plate and put a couple of paper towels on it, line the bacon up, and cook it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. You can check for doneness as you go. You're going to put another paper towel on top to absorb the extra grease. 5 minutes later, it comes out of the microwave and you have crispy bacon. Bacon, bacon, I love bacon. Everything's better with bacon, right? So we're going to chop this bacon up. And when the casserole comes out of the oven after 45 minutes, we're going to top it with this bacon and another cup of the crispy onions. We're not going to stir it, we're going to leave it right on top. We're going to put it back in the oven and bake it for another 10 minutes or so until it's hot and bubbly and good. Thanks for stopping by. I hope to earn your subscription. I know you're going to love this casserole. And there it is, hot and bubbly and good. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.